All right, I am back with stickers, punches, and stencils. Let's see how far I get. Okay, part two. Part two. All right, so stickers. So what I decided to do is put at least one of the stickers on the outside of the package so I remember what they are. And these are Easter, so a little late. $1. Probably weren't late when I first got them. Sorry. Crinkle, crinkle, crinkle. Cute though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. So cute. Sorry, I've got the lens at the opposite end that I'm used to, so therefore I keep messing up. Oh. Just talking to Margaret. She had her cataract surgery today. It went fine. Her daughter took her, and I'm taking her because she had the day off. So that worked out good. And tomorrow I will take Margaret to her follow-up appointment. So there's a sample of those. So we were talking and get to yapping. So those were all of that. Look at how much for $1. $1. Got them for $1. I used to always say that one. I would shop at back in the day when things were $1 at the Goodwills and the thrift stores. They aren't anymore. I'd say to my principal back in the day, she'd go, "Oh, I love your top." I go, "Oh, do you? I got it for $1." She goes, "I feel like I need to say that." She was quite the spender of money, so she did not pay $1 for her outfits. So anywho, so here's these bows, and they're all in brown tones, 94 cents. And they do have the white. I know that's a problem for some. Now, really, what am I going to do with these, though? Really, Kim? What's your plan here? I don't know. I don't have a plan. I just like bows. Ooh, like that one. A little bit of teal thrown in there. Oh, look. Oh, that's pretty. Don't know what I'll do with them, but I like them. There you go. That's all there is to it. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Okay, I think I've said that a couple times so far. All right, then I got this roll of bees. Look at how many. Let's see. I did not open this. I apologize. Oh my gosh. And these were $1.53. Aren't they cute though? Be cute on the like an envelope or a package you send out. Happy Mail. And then I got these. Did I say how much those were? Doesn't matter. And these are little stamp stickers. I kind of messed up the roll here. Let's see. $1.77, which I think some of the prices aren't nearly as good as they used to be back in the day, but good enough that I still buy it. $1.77. But look at I will have those for the rest of my life. Okay. And then look at these tickets. I don't know what I thought I wrote it down. Oh, $1.75. Okay. I just had written it down, that's why I'm saying that. And again, I'm sorry if I'm not on camera. Oh, these are pretty. With kind of a gold. I'm a gold girl. I like gold. Some mushrooms. I don't know if you can. Let's see. Maybe that'll help. There we go. A little bit better. Are they all the same? No. And this one has. Let's see if I can improve the lighting. Maybe that will help. I don't know, guys. Ooh, very pretty. Oh, I like these. Okay, so you get. So these are kind of a light green and the browns. No. I guess I could decorate them. Okay, I'm happy. And as long as I'm happy, that's all that matters, right? Okay. I've had some people recently and over the years reach out and say that they've followed me since the beginning. I can't tell you how much that means to me. Not that I expect all of you to follow me since the beginning or whatever, but I just feel like little me. I mean, why? That just is amazing to me, and I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys. I always try to tell you, but I don't. I mean it. These are pink bows. These are more cartoony, I believe. Let's see. Yeah. I probably could have... Ooh. Oh, that's clever. With a pencil. Huh. Huh. Kind of remind me of Minnie Mouse bows or something. Yep. Okay. Oh, get back in there. Don't fight me on this. I think I have to take them all back out so then I can fit them all back in. Does that make any sense? Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay. Okay, we're just going to do that later. You guys don't. This is going to be long enough as it is. I don't need to bore you with that. Okay, these mice, I can't say no to them, and they're not cheap. $3.66. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's so cute. I think I got red ones too. Look at lemons. Is that a new big thing, or has that always been a big thing? I feel like lemons is this year's fruit theme. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh. Cute. Yellow was just a happy cut. Look at her with her little hat. Oh my gosh. These are adorables. I'm not going to show you all of them, but... Oh, she's hugging her lemon. Oh my God. Okay. Loving the lemon. Featured mice. Doesn't take much to make me happy. $3.66 for all those little doodly-doos. Cuter than cadoots. Cuter than skaditch. That's the word I was looking for. And then I got butterflies. Do I need butterflies? Nope. $2.80. But I just like that they were translucent vellum. I'm not going to take all those out. Sorry. Not going to do it, people. You can't make me. But then I got the red ones. Now, these were ridiculously priced. $4.92. But I kept looking at them. I thought, no, I'm just going to get them. I can't say no. Look at her and her strawberries. Cherries, strawberries, and lemons are big. OMG. Oh, so cute. So basically kind of the same. Well, they're mice with a fruit. Only this time it's red. Oh, she's making jam. Oh, that's cute. With a little scooter. That's adorables. Oh, look. That other one was hugging a lemon. This one's hugging a strawberry. Oh, I love this. I'm really happy with these. But yeah, $4.92. Back in the beginning of Temu, these would have been like 50 cents or something. But times have changed. Oh, and then I've kind of got a camping theme. You know, when you look at stuff, then that stuff pops up. And this is, I don't think it's just a clear... I never dreamed I'd grow up to be a super sexy camping lady, but here I am killing it. And I just thought I'd put that somewhere in my trailer. I'm really wanting to be back at my trailer. I miss it. Miss it so. Okay. This is off topic here. $2.79, but look how many brushes I got. Now, quality-wise, I don't know, but... the size, I thought I was getting some bigger than that. You know how the picture is, but it's got the fine tip ones at round, and then these different sizes of flat. So, I got that covered now. Okay. Then, and I think this was 8 something, but I'm always cutting out this pattern with my, what are these? These kind of scissors. And it doesn't always, you know, it's hard to get it straight and everything. So I got this. And I think it was 8. not super cheap. $8.56, yeah. But I liked it, and I tried it out. It works really good. And what's nice is, I don't know if you can see here, it has little notches. So when you go to line up your... I was playing around with it. You can line it up with the notches there. So I thought that was pretty clever and a good deal. So there you go. However, this is a 1-inch, I think it was Paper Terrace was showing, doing little stamps, making your own stamps. So I've been looking for, and these darn things are expensive. Well, they were cheaper on Temu, but not, I shouldn't have gotten them. $10.63 for this punch. But I tried it out, works really good. And look at this. I think this is kind of cool. To lock it, you just go like this. Unlock, lock. So, but yeah, basically $11. Hopefully I got some money off of that as I went through my day, my shopping time. Oh, and then this embossing folder has a heart. It was $5.89. It's the 3D. So it's got, let's see if I can show you. You know, I'm in my craft room. You'd think I'd have stuff to show you with. It's got the heart in the center and flowers going around, but don't worry, I printed up pictures upside down, but you know, you get the gist. Sorry. Can you see that? It's like the lighting is really, it's nighttime. I need to go to bed because I got to get over to Margaret's. Why do they make these doctor appointments so early, you know? But look at how they colored the flowers around that heart and then put something in the center of sentiment. I love it. And then this picture of what they did with it. Let's see. So pretty. So I'm very excited about that one, of course. And that was $5.89, but I feel like that was reasonable considering, I don't know if you've priced these in retail. Expensive. Everything's, I keep saying that, everything's expensive. Okay, just give it up, Kim. Just throw that in there, put that there. Okay, bada bing, bada boom. All right. And then I had found, this says the months, and I printed up too small. But again, that way when I look at this, I go, oh, that's right. This is months of the year. Isn't that cool, though? And so, like, December has a little tree. Like May has flowers. July has palm trees. And that was really cool. And what did I pay for that? $4.72, don't you know? I went to Michael's today because I had a $10 credit on my laptop. But when I went there, it didn't. Hi, Tia. She's always mad at I felt your pain today. I thought of you. She's always frustrated with Michael's. Anyway, so I thought I was getting... But I had a hard time spending my $10, even though they didn't give me the $10, because I mean, come on. I don't need anything. Anyway, I'll wait till new paper comes out or something I get excited about. So, I got this layering stencils, and this is what it does. And here's this little bunny. So, it has 3, I think, stencils in there to layer. I hope you can see that okay. And that little guy was $3.94. I'm into the stencils now. I've done through 2 or 3, so that's it. I'm in. So I'm into the clouds. Look at those clouds. Look at that grass. That's cool. $2.33. Probably way too much. I'm a polka dot girl, so why would I not have a polka dot stencil? I love polka dots. They make me happy. $1.91. These are, they call them reusable. Now remember, I don't think I'm gonna, I just don't think I'm gonna list all the links. But if there's something you like, then let me know and I will try to find the link. Okay, so this is another layering stencil, and it does these flowers. So I thought that was cool. I think it's, yeah, this was $3.78. I got a couple of flower layers. Oh, 1, 2. Oh, wow. Oh, Lord. Does it tell me which is first? Oh, no. What have I done to myself? It's like paper piecing. Oh, my gosh. Lordy. This is crazy. But it had a lot of cute pictures to go with it. And I got two that are very similar, so I'm not sure for sure which one is which. I'll show you the next one, but aren't those cute? Yeah. Yes, everything's cute, Kim. $3.78. And this one is balloons. And look at those balloons they did. $2.64. Into the bricks. Gotta get the bricks going. Oh, that's not gonna work. Let me see here. Here, this will make it look cool. Let's try it. But isn't that pretty? Doesn't that be cool? So I've got my brick dies and my brick stencil now. Yep, I'm all bricked up. Then more clouds, because, you know, once I go down a thing. This, you can use the edge or the little clouds inside. Well, that's probably blinding you. Oh, things are falling. And then, see, this is the same kind of idea. I think a little simpler. I hope. Oh, my gosh. $4.24. Raindrops keep falling on my head. So this was $1.30. Go really well with the rain boot thing I got. And the little teddy bear with the umbrella. So I was in that mode. Today was a beautiful day. Finally. No rain. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. But that's... I kind of like the rain sometimes. So this is just an inspiration to show how they used it in the background there. So, you know, instead of going on Pinterest, I have it all ready to go. God. This one does grass and clouds. Jeez, Kim. $1.25. Okay, this one I'm super excited about. This does these chariots, so you can do the background. Like I said, I printed up the inspirational. This will go well with my cherry dies. That's what I thought. I'm going to put these two things together in my vault. Isn't that cool? So that was not cheap. That was $5.09. I decided to print this up because I'm never going to know what all these stencils... There's 6 of them in there. So there you go. $3.15. But wait, in case you don't have enough ways to make clouds, I now have Cloud Spraying Stencil 1. What? Spraying? I'm going to have to investigate. So you get all these stencils, and you can do different cloud... I should have skipped this one. Okay, $4.54, but I didn't, so there you have it. Okay, one more stencil. This was way bigger. I did not know that this thing was going to be like 9 by 12. Sheesh. 12 by 16, I think. Something. Very pretty. And I can just use parts of it. And I don't know how much it cost me. Oh, well. But anyway, so there's that one. Okay, so there's video number 2. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I'll be back with more. Don't you worry.